How to deposit money on PrizePicks. So if you wish to deposit money on PrizePicks, it is very simple to do so. First, open your browser and go to prizepicks.com and make sure you log into your account. If you look at the help article from PrizePicks, there are many ways to deposit. First, go to the deposits page by going to app.prizepicks.com/deposit and make sure to go ahead and then log in. Once you've done that, you can click on the Visa or Discover tab, then enter your Visa or Discover card and complete your deposit. Second way is you can complete your deposit using instant bank transfer. So you can use this to directly connect your bank account and enter your deposit amount and confirm the deposit. You can also do it using your PayPal balance as well. These are the ways on how you can deposit on PrizePicks. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon as always in the next video.